Hello guys, for today's video magsi-zero and span gas calibration tayo ng IGG gas analyzer. Yan. Una ginawa ko, span calibration. Dapat magkakaroon tayo ng reading ng 20.9 dyan or 21%. Yan. After few minutes it will become stable, then you will proceed to the next step. Zero gas calibration naman tayo guys. Yan. Tapos buksan natin yung nitrogen. Yan. And then adjust the regulator. Okay na. And then go to the screen, select the zero calibration. Yan na, zero na, and then enter. Yan, hintayin nyo lang guys, magka-calibrate yan mag-isa. Kung ano yung nasisense nya na flow, calibrate nyo yan. Ano nga guys, lumabas na yung resulta. Mga about 10 seconds magsi-zero na talaga yan. Ayan na, zero na guys. Ayos na. Thank you.